Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video we are going to learn how to get value of $100 certification, that is a 100% free entry level AI data professional certification by Snowflake. Gain a competitive edge in the AI data cloud. So this certification price is approx $100 value, and the Snow Pro certificate, the platform exam entry level by the Snowflake cost is the dollar of 100 USD per attempt. So this is the registration link. We'll go through the link. So Ascent Snowflake platform training, and this is the Snow platform certification. So Snow Pro Associate Platform Certification. This will be going on the October 20 to 24, 2025. This is a 9 module is there. There's a live and virtual event. So earn your entry level AI data professional certification and gain a competitive edge in the AI data cloud. Okay. So what do you expect? So learn the power of the data platform and AI capabilities of the step-by-step course to get started with the Snowflake AI data cloud. This hands-on training empower you to integrate, share, and uh, activate previously soiled data with limitless scalability and concurrency, enabling you to uncover data-driven insight faster to your work right now. So you will learn how to do. So setup is there, create database and compute resources, create stage data loading, secure load, generative AI capabilities, and more details are there. So what will earn? So hands-on experience of the Snowflake and start with the journey to an AI data skill set, a certificate of completion, and acquisition of your first entry-level AI and data professional certification, Snowflake Pro Associate, with the complimentary exam voucher. So you'll get a voucher on that. So who should attend? The attend is recommended individual who ideal for those little or not experienced with the Snowflake, who is looking for begin with the journey with the AI data cloud and upgrade their skills. So this course is designed for beginners, not for that, and those who have already completed a Snowflake fundamental course or hold on the Snowflake certification or higher. Okay, this is for the beginner. So join the Snowflake and register for the Snowflake community for the enroll this training class. Okay, enroll on the class on the training site. So here we can enroll on that. So agenda is there. The 15 minutes Snowflake introduction. There is a 9 module is there, and the closing session. So technical structure are there. So these are the structure. So there is option for the register now. So we'll go through the register now. So please enter your email address below to click next to continue. So because this is for the login, we till now we have not logged in. So go with the create account. So put your name, display name. I'm giving full name, email address, confirm email address, and this is company email address is the optional. So your description and company name, industry, technology. So these are the industries there. Country, I'm from India. So would you like to receive mail about the Sonopro event at product? Put yes, I'm I am not a robot, and click on create an account. So please check your email for the complete your Sonoplex community registration. So let me open my Gmail address. Okay. Welcome to Sonoplex and Data Heroes community. So finish the registration. So click here. So enter a new password for this. So total we need the 14 character. Okay. So we need the 14 character. So now add some more character. Okay, done. So click on the change password. So this is optional. So okay. So join us for the build. The conference in the on number 4 and 7. One more is there. The dev conference of the AI and apps global virtual event. That's a number 4th and 7 2025. I'm going to register that one also. It needs the must be valid as your domain name. So you have to provide your domain, your company business email address, then job title and other details. Then you have to click on the register now. So we have done this one. So let me check this one again. I'm just checking. Let me click again. So go to the last, accept. So this is Snowflake platform training, APEC, and here is the schedule. Total virtual classes are 37 classes, and there's a competitive certificate, then free exam voucher. So they will provide you this. So you have to just complete all the classes. So you have to enroll for particular that one free training and classes. So at last you will get a free exam voucher. So in this video we have learned how to get $100 $100 value with the 100% free entry level AI data professional certification by Snowflake. Step by step process. So I have shown to you. This is the registration link. You can go through that. For any doubts and query, please write on the YouTube video comment section. Follow the process on the video. Please subscribe for the more videos. Don't forget to follow, like, share, and comment. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.